Assume that $2,300 is invested in an account earning an 8.4% annual rate of interest, compounded monthly. How many months does it take for the investment to grow to at least $4,600? Okay, so let's set up our variables. Let's start with P. P, A, M, M, R, I, T, and N. Okay, so it says that 2,300 is invested, so that is going to be P, our present value. And we want to know how long it takes for that to grow to $4,600. So that's going to be the accumulated value. We're told that interest is compounded monthly, so our M is 12, and our interest rate is 8.4%. So dividing by 12, I can get the monthly rate, which is 0.007. And then I don't know anything about the number of years or the number of compounding periods. So I plug what I do know into the formula for compound interest, and I get 4,600 equals 2,300 times 1.007, 1 plus I, raised to the nth power. Well, my first step, ultimately I want to solve for n, but my first step is going to be to divide both sides by 2,300. And so I get 2 equals 1.007 raised to the nth power. Okay? So I need to solve for n, but n is sitting up in an exponent. And anytime we have a situation like that where we need to bring an exponent down, we need to use logarithms of some sort. So I'm going to take a logarithm of both sides of this equation. I can use any log I want, but just for simplicity, I'm going to use the natural log. Now that this is, well, let me go ahead and write another line. So this gives me the ln of 2 equals the ln of 1.007 raised to n. The reason this helps me is because now that the right-hand side is in a logarithm, I can use that to pull this exponent down front. Doing so, I have that the natural log of 2 is equal to n times the natural log of 1.007. So now, solving for n, I get that n is equal to the natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 1.007. And plugging that into my calculator, I get 99.367. But that's not quite the answer. I need to pay careful attention to how this problem is worded. It asks, how many months does it take for the investment to grow to at least 4,600? What I'm really being asked for here is to round my answer up to the next whole number of months. To explain this, okay, so interest is compounded monthly. So between months, the balance in my account stays constant. It's only at the end of each month that the balance in my account changes. So my answer here should be a whole number of months. But if I just rounded this, rounded it like I would normally round a number, my answer would be 99. The problem here is, at 99 months, I am a little bit short of the 4,600. So if I want my investment to grow to at least 4,600, I need to go up to the next largest number of months. So if I round this up, I'm actually going to go to 100 months. At 99 months, I'm a little bit short, but after 100 months, I have accumulated at least $4,600.